How to delete a page from your account. Today I'll be showing us how to delete a page that you have been added as an admin. How to delete a page that added you as an admin. Sometimes people would like you to be the admin and they will send you an email and add you to become their admin. A lot of times we that we are trainers, coaches, people that do things online with people, a lot of people want to add you as their admin. And sometimes due to they added you, because you are their admin, everything about their page keeps popping up and sometimes even disturbing your own activities on Facebook. Oh yes, it happens to me. Today I'll be showing you how to remove yourself as an admin so that you'll be free and you can only have access to only your pages. So how do you go about it? You come to the right section. This way. And you click on this. When it opens, you click on see all. Now see all the pages you are an admin. So what you do, pick the one you would like to remove yourself as an admin. So I'll be picking this one. Now when it opens, the next thing you're going to do is to go here, this way. You scroll down a little and you go to here where they wrote here, page setup. You click on it. When it opens, you go this way, page access. You click on it. When it opens, you're going to see your name. You can see my name here, right? And remember, when they added your account. So this is your account. You now come here to this part. Here. And you click on it. It will ask you this question, remove access. The next step, you're to put in the password. The moment you put in the password, they're going to ask you to check your email. So the email the person using sending you the invite in the first place. So you go to your email and go get the code. So when you get the code, you input the code and then you click on continue and voila. Look at it. You have been deleted from that person's page as an admin. Now, if you check here, you're going to see that that page is no more associated with my account. So from now onwards, you will only see the ones that are your pages. No more people that added you. So if you know you find this video helpful, make sure you click on the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel to make our community grow and be part of the community. And make sure you watch the next video that will pop up after the end of this training. I love you guys. Thank you and see you in our next video. I'm Alpella and this is Alpella Academy. Bye-bye.